Hello student, welcome back to Act the Code. This is part 3 of solving Capgemini pseudocode. It must watch the part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and this one part 2. But check the description. I have already attached the part 1 and part 2. So not any random question, actually real exam question. Let's start from the first question. This one first question. First read the question, you can take a screenshot also. So A equal to 5, B equal to 9. And you have if else there will be one condition will be execute. अगर a वाला execute हुआ, so this will not execute, only one condition. First check the condition. 5 into 2, 5 means a into 2 means 5 into greater than 9, b means 9. Yes, the condition is true. It will execute only if 1. So a becomes a plus b. A means 5 and b means 9, so the answer 14. And we need to print a comma b, the final answer 14,9. B value have not changed, only A changed. Next, moving to the next question. And you have only 30 minutes to solve 30 questions. So this one. And here actually and or bitwise operator. In the question, they will mention actually what does mean and or. If they mention logical operator, so you should take as a logical. If the question mention bitwise, you should take as bitwise. First P equal to 10, right? And Q equal to 20. Then P plus Q. P plus Q means 30 greater than 25. Yes, condition true. So R equal to P and. So bitwise and Q. So first convert this 10 and 20 is bitwise. So 10 means 8010 and 20 160100. This one. And do AND operator. So it will become 00000. So bitwise. Actually, it is bit binary of 20, it is binary of 16. And do AND, so it's become actually 0. So the R becomes 0. The answer actually 0. Moving to the next question. You can take a screenshot or you can try yourself, pause the video, try yourself and check you have done correct or wrong. X equal to 0. And if here someone many of students actually get confused. If x equal to 0, then if 0 actually any non-zero value is true, value is true, और कोई भी non-zero value हुआ तो true होगा and 0 only false, 0 is false. जब x equal to 0 तो यहाँ so if becomes 0, 0 means false, so if condition false, so it will execute else condition, then answer 9. No answer actually. Moving to the next question. This one, fourth question. You can try yourself. N equal to 4. Okay. Result, the answer, you need to print the answer. I am taking R1. 1. And from I 1 to N, means first I equal to 1, then I equal to 2, then I equal to 3, then I equal to 4. I need to result equal to result into I plus 1. I need to multiply this one. First multiply 1, so it become 1 into 1, it become 2. So result equal to, I can say, first for I1. First, I will do slowly. Then I can tell you the first one. The result equal to one, I equal to one. So result mean one into I plus one actually two. So it become two. Then I equal to two. Also it is result equal to now two. Result into, so two into, so two plus one three. It's become six. And from next for three, so result equal to result six into three plus one means 4, so 24. And the 4 equal to result equal to the multiply 24 into 4 plus 1 5, so it is 120. And it is actually factor, it is calculating with factor. N equal to 5, so it is calculating factorial of 5, so you can directly 120 answer. You can find the pattern directly also, so that is answer. Moving to the next question. If you understand till now, you can comment yes I have understand. If you have any kind of doubt, you can comment. So sum equal to 0. First write 1 by 1, sum equal to 0. And I becomes I 1 to 5. Actually, I become I equal to first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. And for every I value, we need to run J loop. And J from 1, 2, 3. First for 1, then we need to do for 2, then need to do for 3, then 4, then 5. 1 by 1, we need to do for everything. So sum equal to first one, you can find the pattern also. Once you can find the pattern, you can easily calculate. So sum equal to 1. So sum plus first 0 plus 1 into 1, actually 1. So sum becomes 1. And now j equal to 2. So sum equal to now already sum 1. 1 plus 1 into 2. Actually how much 2? So it will become 3. Got it? Now next I equal to 3. So sum become sum plus I into j 1 into 3. 3. So it's become 6. I can say multiply this one multiply and sum. So this one to this multiply into sum. This to this one, this actually the answer equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 and plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3. It is I value and this one j value plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 3 and then 4 into 1 and 4 plus into 2 and 4 into 3 and again 5 for the 5 also 1 2 2 3 5 into 1 plus 5 into 2 plus 5 into 3. If you do, the answer become 90. You can add it also. This one actually 6, you can add it this one also if you take common 2, so it is become 1 plus 2 plus 3. This one actually 6. So multiply 2 into 6, how much? 12. And multiply 18. Multiply 6 into 4, 24. Multiply 30. So you can add it. So 20, 30, and 30, 30, 60, and this 30. So it is become 90. You can do this way also. First, find the pattern. Once you find the pattern, you can easily solve in less than 1 minute. Moving to the next question. So this one I equal to 1 and this is loop question. I less than 10. So it will do 1 to 10. Okay. And only pinned when mod. So mods mean I mod 2. Mean जो नंबर इवन होगा वही नंबर पिन होगा तो 1 से 10 तक का कौन सा इवेंट है इवेंट नंबर 2 then 4 then 6 then 8 then 10. So answer is 2 for 8 6 2 for 6 8 10. So this one answer pin type. Moving to the next question. If you want part 4, comment down. As Capgemini exam is nearest and I guess 9th September. So if you want more of solving pseudocode video or part 4, comment. Like there's an array. Array have 2, 4, 6, 8. There's value. A index always start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the sum equal to 0. And I 0 to 4 mean 0 to I equal to 0 to I less than 4. But the last index actually 4, not I less than equal to 4 because 5 index. And sum equal to array of I, array of I. A of I. A of I means the element of array. So it is printing actually sum of the element. Just 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Do the sum. 6 plus 4 10. 2 plus 8 10 and 10. 10 10 30. So the answer is 30. It is a sum of array element. All the sum. So the answer actually 30. Moving to the next question. So this one. First, read the question. The array, there's a 4 size 3, 6, 9, 12. I from 3 to down 0 means this one 0, 1, 2, 3. So I start from 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. So it is printing in the reverse order. The answer is print 12, then 9, then 6, and 3. Actually, this is easy question. Moving to the next question. This one. So this one, first understand the question. Okay, properly. 1 into 2, 3, 4, 5. and I 0 to 4. I need nums of 2. I need nums of 2 multiply. So once I need nums of 2, I don't need 3, 4, 5. And then for every value, nums of I become nums of I into nums of I. What does mean? Actually, जो index are nums of, so nums of I equal to for 2, it will become nums of 2 into nums of 2, nums of 2. So value of nums of 2 means 0, 1, 2. So 3 into 3. 3 into 3 becomes 9. So directly you can answer 9. You don't need to run the for loop 0 to 4. So always do in the shortcut. If you find the shortcut, just do. Take this, take this screenshot of the question. You can make PDF also. So array have three value 5 to 8, the maximum. So max equal to the first element, first equal to 5. Then 1 to 2. So this one and this one. So this one actually find the maximum of the array element. So you need to no need to do every loop. But you can check also something can be maximum less than or greater than something. So actually answer is 8. Maximum element from the array. This one. So the answer 8. Moving to the next question. The question 11. And also watch these two video must. Pseudocode 1, Pseudocode part 1, and this is part 2. So this one is string question. You have hello. You need to print I from 0 to length minus 1. So means the end of the length. So you need to print, so it is answer actually hello. You are just printing the string. So that is also easiest question. Going to the next one. This one actually easy question, but um, here actually get confused or you can do wrong. Why? Someone can thinking like, so print length mean length of this thing. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 4 8 8 9. So someone can be answer 8 9. So actually it is not 9, it is actually 10. Why? So check, there's a one, there's a 2 space 1 2. So you need to count the space also. Got it? So here actually most of the students get confused and get not 10, 11. Two space, so it is 11. Moving to the next question. Also easy one question. You can directly check like string S1. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So S1 get a B. So S1 equal to B. Yes. So it's print. Yes. And 14 question. So this one you can directly, you know directly, or you can read first. No need to do for loop. Here actually what? Reverse. Once it done, it's mean it is doing something reverse. So you can directly answer T S E P. So it is actually reverse of string. I from length s of 1 means last to 0. So it is from last to 0 and reverse equal to reverse plus s of I. So the last first added T, then S added, then E added, then T added. So it is actually done doing reverse of the string. So answer T S E T. Moving to the next question. And this one actually recursion. So factorial. So you can directly check it is calculate factorial. So 4 factorial actually 24. So you can directly answer also. But you can check at least. So it is calling this one function. So it is calling fact with a variable 4. And this 4 n equal to 0, otherwise n into fact into 1. So 4 into fact into 3. Then also it is calling fact and fact with 3. And the 3 also 3 into 2. So fact into 2. 3 minus 1 means 2. It will call it fact into 2 factorial into 2 fact 2, and the fact 2 what will do, so it will also call 2 into fact of 1, and once n equal to 0 fact of 1, then fact 1 also will call factor of 0, 1 into 0 factor of 0, and factor of 0 return 0. Actually so just 1 minute, no, factor of 0 return 1, so it will be 1 1, so it will be 1 into 2, so 1 into 2 actually 2, so you had 2 into 3 6, so it will return 6, 6 into 4, 24. So here pin 24. And you can directly guess also. Like it is calculate factorial of a number. Moving to the next question. Sometimes use your brain to solve this question. You can directly solve this question also. Like function solve AB. Yet if anyone knows, it is actually Euclidean algorithm to find GCD of two number. It is actually finding GCD of two number. So that is a result must be must like explore the Euclidean algorithm. Euclidean algo to find GCD. So GCD of 24 and 8 actually 6. So the output actually 6. You need to, no need to rerun or dry run for this one. This is actually Euclidean algorithm to find GCD of two number. So the answer is 6. Please explore this one. Moving to the next question. Now you can write your solution within 30 seconds. Can you do within 30 seconds? Right? Like x, there's a f equal to 5. I need to find like x, and you always do x equal to x minus 2. Actually, what does mean? X equal to x minus 2, it is find some kind of relation. So I will explain. Then you can easily find. So first, if 5 call, so it will call the function and x less than 1. No, so it will do x minus 1, x minus 2. Return x minus 1 plus x minus 2. So it will return f of 4 plus f of 3. Got it? And f of 4 also will call. So what actually will do? So actually it is Fibonacci series. If you know, it is actually Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series f of n term equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 term. So fifth term. So if you know the first term 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 8. So fifth term actually 8. So its answer be 8. You can do the diagram. Also, I'll show you f of 5 equal to f of 4 plus f of 3, and the f of 4 also called f of 2, f of 3 and f of 2, and f of 3 called f of 2 and f of 1, and it is called f of 2 and f of 1, and f of 2 called f of 1 and f of 0. So it's, and the 2 also 2 will call f of 1 and f of 0. Now it will be written, so 1 1 it will be 2. So answer here 2, and here it will 1 actually written 1 1 plus 1 it will be 3, and 2 written actually 3 3 3 actually 6, and 3 written which value here actually 2 written 2 2 plus 1, so 3 6 plus, here actually must be just 1 minute, 2 must be written 1 plus 1 2, sorry 2, so that is 5 5 plus 3 8. So answer 8. If you have any kind of doubt you can ask. If you are an expert, also comment. Next question. So there's a one, you need to find the mystery number, mystery equal to 4. Can you do it in 30 seconds? You can try yourself. First read the question properly. N equal to 0, so return 0. So it will call until 0. So there are two conditions. If n mod 2 equal to 0, n mod 2 means if even. If even it will added 2. If order it will added 1. So you can say 4. First 4 it will call. So it will added 2 actually. 4 is even number, and mystery means it will call the mystery one, mystery with 3, actually n minus 1, first 4 4 minus 1 3, and for the 3 it will call actually this one. Why? This is actually 3 is even number, ordered number, so the condition actually false, it will do this even one. So actually 1 plus 2, and the for the 2 actually call this one, so 2 plus 1, and the for 1 it will call 1, for 1 actually 1 plus this one, so it will answer 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 6, and 1 minus 1 at 0, and then return 0. So the answer actually is 6. If you have any kind of doubt you can ask. So it is calling like first 2 plus 1, and this one actually called 2, and this plus 1, and then last 0. First actually fourth even, then odded, first even, then odded, then even, then odded. Yeah, first even, odded, even, odded. Moving to the next question. First, try yourself. You can write the answer in the comment. I can check actually you have done right or wrong. And this one actually nested loop, loop and loop. And what actually doing here? I from 1 and then 2. And the J also from 1 to 2. For 1, actually 1, 2, and for the 2 also 1, 2. And every time when doing A equal to A plus B and twice per loop. So we do this one twice per loop. So if done one loop, so it will be answer 2A plus 2B. Actually the answer. Just understand properly. If you're doing A plus B, you can directly also write. So A equal to A plus B. And every time we doing A plus B, A plus B, A plus B and assign to the A. So first 1 equal to do or 2 times. So equal to A plus B means 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Then also 5 plus 2 equal to 7. But also we did add it. We are editing actually B to the A. How many times? 1 for the 2 times, for the 2 got 4 times. So actually 4 into 4 plus 3 plus 4 into 2. So 3 plus 8 equal to 11. The answer is 11. Why 4 into 2? We're adding B. How many times? 4 times. For the 1, it will run 2 times. For the 2, it will run 2 times. Every time we're adding B. So adding B 4 times. So B equal to 4 into 2 plus A into 3. So 11. You can directly answer. Moving to the next question. If you find this channel helpful, you can do subscribe also. More video will coming and more company like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini. So solve this question. Next, n equal to 3, k equal to 1. Okay. We need to print like that. You need to final value of k actually. Final value of k. In detail, right? So from 1 to n, first understand what actually you're doing. K plus 1. Every time doing plus 1 to the k. Adding 1. 1 to n means 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. I goes to. And j 1 to I. So j. First 1 to I. 1 to 1. First it will go 1 to n. And then j equal to, for the 2 it will go 1 comma 2. And the second it will go 1 comma 2 comma 3. So how many times? 3, 5, 6. So it will added 1 6 time. So k equal to actually k means 1 plus 1 into 6. So it will answer 7. You can directly answer this. So it is actually doing 7 times running the loop. So it 6 times. So it will add a 6 times the 1. So the answer must be 6 into 1 plus 1. The 7 answer. Moving to the next question. We have solved 20 question. We have 21. I have collected this question from different Telegram and website. Actual exam question. I have done hard work to collect it. So please like and comment. P equal to 5, K equal to 3. I need to find the R. R equal to, first this is bitwise operator. I have already explained. There's a two type bitwise operator. One is left and second is right. Right. So if I have explained the shortcut, if A right, this one right actually x. So the answer will be A by 2 per x. And if A leftwise operator x, so the answer will be A into 2 per x. Got it? This one as a shortcut trick. So P, this one actually left and this one right. So R equal to P means 5 into 2 power 1 plus Q means 3, 3 by and 1, 2 power 1. So 5 into 2 means 10 and plus 3 by 2 means how much? 1.5 and 1.5, but take it integer as an integer because it is integer value. So it is will 1. So 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So the answer is 11. So moving to the next question. Take the screenshot. Try yourself. So x equal to 7 and y equal to 2. So now x equal to x and this one XOR operator, bitwise XOR. So x XOR at 2 and XOR what does actually do? If same bit, it gives 0. Otherwise, it's give 1. और इस बीट का डिफरेंस देगा, बीट का डिफरेंस मतलब जैसे 1 0 0 1, हाँ 0 and 0 1 0 1 and this one 1 0. So this one take it. So 1 0 bit difference 1 1 1, there's a no difference, both are same 0, both are same 0, difference 1, difference 1. So that is the do actually bitwise XOR operator. So x dots y. So the 7 bitwise XOR. So 7 bit 1 1 1 and the 2 1 0 0. So find the 1 0 1 and this one actually 5. So x become 5. Now y equal to x XOR. So I'm 5. So y equal to OR operator. OR means अगर कोई एक true होगा, if 1 is true, so it is true. So 5 means 1 0 1 and 2 means 1 0 0. अगर कोई एक true, this one true. एक तो 1 है. अगर if any one is 1, so it is 1. 1 present, 1 present, 1. So it is 7. So answer become 7. So it is actually so first one 5, the x and this one 7. So answer 5 7. Going to the next question. You should know the bitwise operator. This one also bitwise operator. Bitwise and the bitwise OR. First we do the bitwise and. 9. So bitwise of 9 actually 1 8 8 1 0 0 1. And bitwise 12 8 1 0 0. And find the and. So and operator 1 0 0 0. That's mean 8. So A and B 8 greater than A XOR B. So XOR now try to find the XOR 1. So XOR will be 1 1. So it is 0, sorry, same bits means 0 1 and 0 0 means 0 1, so it is 5. So 8 greater than 5, yes, condition 2. So print A. So print A means 9. The answer actually 9. Actually this one easy type of question. If anyone know actually this one, you can directly answer. It is actually reverse, actually not reverse, swap two variable code, two variable without third variable. दो वेरिएबल का स्वैप करना, कोई एक्स्ट्रा वेरिएबल नहीं लेके. तो p q will be p must will be 3 and q equal to 2. So answer actually 3, 2. It is swap two variable without third variable. And you can diagram also. Next question. First a equal to and then b and there's a one c. We'll assign an update and c equal to. First a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and 3. A equal to b plus c. So a equal to b means 2 plus 3 means 5. So it becomes 5. I'm update 5. B equal to A plus C. So B equal to A means 5 and C means C. So B becomes 8. So I have update 8. And C equal to A plus B. A means 5 and B means 8. So 5 plus N 13. So this one 13. So 5, 8, 13 the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Comment your doubt. Next, integer value. So don't divide float division. Okay, integer division. X equal to x first 10 and y equal to 5. Then write x becomes, x means 10 by 5. So 10 plus 5 equal to 2. So it's become 2. And y equal to y into x. So y into x means y means 5 and 2 10. Actually 5 into 2, so it's become 10. So it's actually 2 comma 10 the answer. So y become 10. Moving to the next. So we have solved 26 question. And that's actually easy level question. N equal to 0, we need to run the loop until n less than 5. Okay. And n equal to n plus n. So here actually what? We are adding n plus n equal to 0, and we are adding 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 can be never be, 0 plus 0 always be less than 5. So this loop will run infinity, never end. Actually loop कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा. Why? The loop actually n equal to n plus n, and the n actually is 0. So 0 plus 0 always be 0, and the 0 always be less than 5. So this condition will be always true, and it will never end, or you can say it will run till infinity. So you can't pinch. So there will be one option like infinite loop. So this one. Going to the next question. This one where reach till end 28, and the last two question. X equal to minus 3 and x greater than 0, or x, so x greater than 0, no, x equal to 0 not, so it is pinned negative, so you can directly, so the answer negative. And the last question, no, not last question, it is 29 question. Pause the question video and try to solve yourself. So it has been a equal to 2 and b equal to 5, and I running from 1 to b. 1 to b means 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. I'm printing I, where I mod means this operator, and a means 2 equal to 0. Or you can say I'm printing those number which actually even number. So which one even? 2 and 4. The answer actually 2 comma 4. So you can directly say the answer. Printing even number. And the last question. So last question, you can directly from this, you can directly say it is doing sum. Sum of which number? Actually ordered number. So ordered number means 1, 3 and 5. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 9. So the answer actually 9. So till now, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask. If you find this channel helpful, explore more. I have solved like Capgemini Cognizant video. You can watch. Let's see you in the next video on the CS fundamental actually. CS fundamental question on Capgemini or part 3.